Today I'm diving into AdWork Media, a well-known CPA affiliate network that's been around for over a decade. I signed up to test how beginner-friendly it really is, how reliable their offer inventory is, and whether their monetization tools live up to the hype. The sign-up process is relatively simple, though it may take a few days to get approved. You'll need to provide honest details about your traffic sources. Once inside the dashboard, you're greeted with a somewhat dated but functional interface. AdWork Media provides a variety of monetization tools, including content lockers, link lockers, and offer walls. These are particularly useful for those with downloadable content, file sharing platforms, or niche blogs that can drive targeted traffic. The content locking tool is the standout feature. It's relatively easy to configure, and you can select the exact offers you want users to complete before accessing locked content. That said, the offer availability varies greatly depending on your target country, which can be frustrating if your traffic is international. One issue I encountered is that many of the high payout offers have strict terms or geo restrictions, so you'll want to review the offer requirements closely before pushing any traffic. The Smart Link feature is also there, but in my experience, it didn't perform as well as expected. It often redirected to lower paying offers that weren't well matched to the traffic source, which can hurt conversions. AdWork Media does provide detailed analytics, which helps you track which offers and tools perform best. The reporting is real-time and relatively accurate. Payments are sent on time, with a low minimum payout of $35, which is a plus. They support various payment methods including PayPal, bank transfer, and Payoneer. However, support can be hit or miss. Sometimes you'll get helpful responses quickly, but other times you might wait days without a reply. Many useful links you can find in the description. Another point worth noting is that while AdWork Media claims to support many verticals, the best offers tend to fall into common categories like email submits, mobile app installs, and survey completions. If your niche doesn't align with those, your options might be limited. Also, their resource center and training materials are somewhat outdated. If you're new to CPA marketing, you might find the learning curve a bit steep without seeking help from outside tutorials or forums. Overall, AdWork Media is a solid platform for intermediate to advanced marketers who know how to drive converting traffic, particularly in Tier 1 countries. It's not a magic solution for instant passive income, but with the right strategy, it can be a consistent earner. Just be prepared to test a lot, track results carefully, and adjust your approach based on what converts best in your niche. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or personal experiences with AdWork Media you'd like to share.